How to add a table of contents in APA 7th edition. Now that we have the page number, running head, and the title page, let's add a table of contents. Let's scroll down to where our paper begins. And let's put our mouse cursor in front of the first header, in this case, executive summary. Insert blank page. So we just added a blank page between our title page and where the paper begins. So click in the title page, References, Table of Contents. We have automatic table 1 that just says the contents, and we have automatic table 2 that says table of contents. I want to add table of contents. The table of contents was created in that new blank page, but we have to make a couple of adjustments. So highlight table of contents, and we want to change this to Times New Roman 12. And we want to change the color to automatic. Go to the Home tab and center it, and we'll put an extra space in there. Now we have Times New Roman 12, and we have something different. So let's change this to Times Roman 12. Okay, let's say we have a new section of our paper, and we have to update the table of contents. I'll show you. So let's go to, we're going to go down to the bottom of the paper, hit the Control key and the click, and click to follow the link. And it goes straight down to the bottom of the paper, and we'll add a new section. And we want to make this a header, so we'll highlight it. Heading 1. And we'll put a space there. Let's go back to our table of contents and update it. Now, when I update the table, take a look at the font size as I update it, because we'll have to change it back. So update table, update entire table. Now watch the font size change, and it did. We have our new section of the paper. So highlight. Well, definitely be aware that if you update the table, it will change the font size. And we'll the Control key and click on it, and it goes down to the very bottom. How to add a table of contents in APA 7th edition. Thank you for watching.